Hi, I'm Fred. Today we're going to fix this using this. The first step is to remove the wall wart part because it's heavy and will get in the way. I removed the fan already, so I've just got to remove the shroud. And it's old and cheap, so I guess we're just going to break it. It's just held to the body with a zip tie. Next, I need to remove the old lights. So I just follow them up into the body and see that they're tied in place. I tie it and remove the old lights. And then I tie the top of the new light set into place. And then I grab this little doohickey that came with the new fan and light set, and I clip it over the fabric and onto that light bar. And this is what should actually be holding the weight of the lights. When the lights are in, we just cram all the wires under the foot and position a new fan. I think I want this wire to go through the side of it just like it did in the original. Now I take this extra long zip tie and run it through the hem. Before I tighten the zip tie, I want to make sure that the larger lip of the shroud is facing the top of the body. So when the rain is coming in from here, it gets blocked like this. Then I close up the zip tie around the shroud. Finally, we reattach the wall wart bit. Then all you need to do is zip it up and plug it in. It fits. It mostly fits. It's a total success.